I can hear that thing over there. Hey guys, it's Corey the car guy from Corey Foulem Automotive, and today we're going to be doing a pure sound of this 1989 Nissan 240SX. This has got the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. I'm going to show you that right now. As you can see, this one's got the 2-liter on it. Alright. Sorry about that. Sorry about the music. It's pounding in there. This one's got the Nissan twin cam, 16 valve I believe. Alright Kyle?
Pardon me?
Give her a shot.
You want to start it?
Give it a spin. Give it a spin. Oh well. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. There we go. That's how you do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. That thing just sounds absolutely unbelievable. That's just insane. Oh my god. Okay, go! Oh my goodness. And as you can see, this car does have a Nismo steering wheel column on it. Tachometer, oil pressure, air fuel, water temperature, turbo boost, and yeah. And as you can see over there, fuel pump, fans, alternator, boost, clutch, and line lock I believe, and headlight switch, and yeah. And
I can email it. What? I can email it.
Magellan, Roadmate, GPS.
Yeah, I can't run those tires.
Your e-brake is okay over here.
Yeah, like I have another set of tires. The tires that I run are identical to what his are.
Blue design here.
These ones are illegal.
Yeah.
Last year I ran. Car only gets
Cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The pure sound of this 1989 Nissan 240SX 2-liter turbo. So be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos just like this. Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Have a good day.